I haven't been on a hike in ages, so what is your line? You can see Gus here is right. Okay. That's a go! Is that in focus? I guess so. Oh, this is so sick, dude. It's a bit windy, but after you, my good friend. On your ass. What a vibe. Got some leaves. Just came across this little...
I said, heard there's someone injured up there. And they said, oh, did you see them? Did you talk to them? And I was like, oh no, we just heard from the SES people. And they said, well, there's a chopper. We might have to get them out with the chopper, but if we can't, we'll have to rope the person down. That's like quite a big job for them.
Oh, of
to rope them down.
Yeah, good stuff for the men and women who volunteer. And the CFA.
Yeah.
It's a big job. It's a big job.
Well, I guess there's like AI generated